Hi, good day. This is James from Level for Us Computer Services. So today's tutorial, I will teach you on how to add a admin account in the system. So we have our default admin account so that you can enter both POS and in the back office. Uh, it comes from the package. It is free. So the admin account, the default admin uh, for its username, and then for the password it's 837922. If you want to add an admin or another admin in the system, of course you can add a numerous number of admins. Okay, for example, you have a uh, manager that you want to act as an admin so that he or she can supervise the whole system. So here, I have created a shortcut to our back office. So by clicking this, if you can see it on your uh, desktop display, just double click it and then it will ask for our username and for our password. So the default is admin, oh sorry, uh, small letters admin, and then for the password it's 837922. Okay, so we're uh, in the back office. So in the back office, we will uh, add here those accounts, uh, also items, viewing inventories and sales. But now we will focus on adding an admin account. So here at the tab, you can see setup. Click setup, and then here under company setup, second option it's user account setups. So um, just click this one. So if you can see this in your system, that is the pre made accounts in the system. So here we will try to create our new admin account. So user login is, for example, I'll be the one who will be um, making my own account as an admin. So for example, user login. So I'll put James, and then my password is 1234. Okay. So our username and our password limits for a 4 characters up. So 4 characters below, the system will not accept the username and the password. So full name, uh, it's um, it depends on the owner if he wants or she wants the full name of the employee, and also telephone number, email address are optional. So access level. So here I will choose system administrator. System administrator has all the access in the back office and in the BitPOS. Okay, so our language is English, users POS, so main. And then printing profile, browse printing support, so that he or she can open reports in the browser. So, and then use pop-up window for reports. Okay, and viewing reports, it will open in the browser again. So by adding this, okay, as you can see, a new user has been added. In the lower portion of our summary, we can see James and my full name here, and then I just skip my phone number and my email address, and then my access level is a system administrator. So we'll try to log out and use this account in logging in. So log out, click here to log in again. So I'll try my new username and my password for my admin account. So James for my username. Then for my password, it's 1234, and then hit login. Okay, so that's it. I am successfully in the back office. So my account is um, perfectly done. So that's how you make an account for an admin. So hope you learned from this tutorial. So kindly hit the like if you like this video, and kindly subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day. Ciao.